Hello everyone, hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. In this video, we will discuss the different type of timer available in Studio 5000 Logic Designer software. So how to use them. So here click on Logic Organization main program and click on main program, and already all program we our all program in main program. So just let's start how so first take look basic type of operation timer in Allen Bradley. Basic type of timer in Allen Bradley. Take a new run operation and different type of timer. Studio 5000 Logic Designer for the software provide the different type of timer, like we can see here T on timer, T off timer and RTO timer. T on timer also we can say timer on, T off timer also we can say timer off, and RTO timer also we can say retentive timer. So we will review and this difference between these timer and show you how program them in the software. If you new Studio 5000 programming software, this video will be provide to comprehensive overview and different type of timer available on the create timing operation. So let's get started. So timer are very useful common function in Studio 5000. Allow you can control timing and sequence event. Timers are very useful and common function in PLC programming. They allow you to control the timing and sequence of event in your logic. For example, you can use timer on delay, or we can say T on timer, the start stop motor function, or create a blinking LED measure the duration of process. Studio 5000 in Studio 5000 three types of timer we can see here: timer on, timer off and RTO also, RTO timer. So let's start from timer on. So timer on, take a bit new take a new empty operand and here write T timer underscore on and create a new tag. Timer on 1, control W, and here write a timer name, any name of your timer, just like timer underscore on. Timer underscore on, and you create a new tag and here the use controller type base data type timer and click apply. Tag data will be true truncated lost. Click on OK and OK. So Studio 5000 timer use in Studio 5000 timer use different type of timers. The timer of provide consists of 5 individual tags So first is enable bool tag en. This bit true whenever timer instruction is active, no matter how much time has elapsed. And second is timer timing bit, or we can say tt bit. So this bit is true when the timer is actively performing the timing operation. Done bit bits bool data types of bool, these are 5 bits. So true when the timer is actively performing the timing operation. Done bit, the timer bit goes true when the timer has counter. When done bit, this bit goes true when the timer has counted up to the reach it preset value. Means that when timer is completed the timer timing bit after preset value, and preset value equal to accumulator value, means accumulate value on that time timer done bit has been on. And preset value, preset, this is input allowed to set timer for preset value. It is a preset value. This is an input that allow you can set timer for how long last before completion. The unit of present millisecond. So if you want to timer for 10 seconds, you need enter the 10,000 as the preset value. Means that in studio 5000 timer preset value take in millisecond. So 1 millisecond is equal to 1000 second. So if our requirement to 10 seconds, so 10 into 1000 millisecond equal to 10,000 millisecond. So accumulator and preset value, these both bits, accumulator and preset, these bits is dint. Accumulator value, this show the high the time is in its current count. It also has unit. Accumulator value, this show you high timers in this current count. It is also unit of millisecond. So let's write a example. 5000 timer, 5 second means 50 second. 50 second means 50 second means once, tens, 100,000, 10,000. And take a new rung, take an no and one another output, copy and paste it, and copy and paste it. So here timer you can select from here en bit, copy paste and copy en bit, tt bit, last it, done bit. So example led1, led underscore 1 and led2 underscore led2 and also led3, led3. So control W, create a new tag, control W and control W. So let's so we have required a comment. So here write a comment, t timer 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 under slash timer on, or we can write t on. So click on download and select the Studio 5000 Logix Embedded Programming. Click on download. Click on emulator and select the run. So first we need to on the timers from Control T. So we can see here LED 1 is on, LED 2 is on. LED 1 enable bit. When timer is on, then enable bit be energized, and when when timer is on, when T on timer is on, also when T on timer is on, then timer on TT bit is energized. Here we can see LED 1 and LED 2 both are LED has been on, and when timer on will be completed, preset value equal to accumulator, then done bit has been on. We can so observe here done bit has been on, and already timer enable bit already on, means because timer is provide continuous value, timer on required continuous value. Example, timer on is we can cut the supply of timer on. Example, we again observe here timing has been start 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 13 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 9 49 50. So when preset value equal to the accumulator value, then done bit is on, and when done bit is on, LED 3 has been on, and timer timing bit is off. Why? Because when I already talked about when preset value is running, on that time timer timing bit is on. When preset value equal to the accumulator value, timer timing bit off. So if we have required to turn on LED 1 LED 2, so if we have required turn off LED 1 and LED 2, so click on toggle cut the supply of timer on. So LED 1 LED 2 LED 3 all these timer LEDs is off. So if we have required to reset the timer. So take a reset bit. Finalize. So again, once again, try to check that this Tion timer is reset or not. So observe here, when done bit is completed, because Tion timer is run in millisecond, so you think millisecond is very small times. So when Tion timer done bit is completed, then NO NC to NO, and then when NC to NO, timer on supply has been cut and timer will be reset. And when timer will be reset, again done bit is 0. When done bit is 0, then timer done bit NC to NO to again NC, switch from again NC to NO to NC. So click again toggle and absorb. We can see when timer has been completed the time, then again done bit, done bit is when done bit is on, timer has been reset. Observe again. You also try and observe once again and again. So here